So we'll start our demonstration here in DOORS, where we have our list of functional requirements, which we're going to export to Rational Quality Manager. Very simple wizard where you select your Quality Manager project, export, and we'll see here in Quality Manager when we look at all requirements that indeed we have exported 77 of our requirements from DOORS into Quality Manager. Once they're in Quality Manager, we are free to associate these requirements to a test case. So we'll do that here simply by selecting a test case and adding our requirement, and we'll click on OK and save this. So now we'll head back over to the dashboard, and what the dashboard should reflect is that we have 77 requirements in the project, and 76 of them do not have test cases associated, and one does. And we do indeed see that from the pie chart. Now let's go ahead and make an update to our requirement. We're going to change our requirement so that the maximum backward speed of the vehicle for this requirement changes from 25 to 45 kilometers an hour. And we'll save to commit that to the DOORS database, and then we'll re-export that back to Quality Manager. And now what we'll see when we flip back to Quality Manager is that the status of this requirement indeed shows as updated, which means that we may now have to re-examine our test case to make sure that it is still correctly validating the requirement as it's held in DOORS. Now once the test actually runs and we have an execution result, as we see here, where we actually have a failed execution, this test is passed, Quality Manager will automatically notify DOORS of the verdict. So we can see here back in DOORS where the most recent verdict for the test case of failed is reflected in the DOORS record.